The overall goal of this procedure is to increase the number of foods a child eats without using escape extinction. This is accomplished by first determining the foods the child is currently eating. Next, a preferred food is placed on one side of a placemat while a target food is placed on the other. The child is then asked to complete a series of shaping steps that require interaction with the target food to gain access to the preferred food. Successive steps of the shaping procedure are delivered until the child finally eats the target food. Ultimately, the child will learn to consume a new food that they were not previously eating.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods is that it avoids the use of escape extinction, which may be associated with challenging behavior and may have low acceptability for some families. Demonstrating the procedure will be Jessica Weber, a doctoral student in my lab.
Begin by conducting a pre-treatment assessment to determine the tangible item that will be used as a reinforcer. Next, perform a food assessment to determine the likelihood that the child will eat certain foods when offered. Present all foods in pieces that are small enough to consume in one bite, but large enough so that the child will need to chew it several times before swallowing. The participant and therapist should sit side by side at the table with a placemat in front of the child and all food and tangible items on the table next to the therapist. Select the most preferred food to use during the training phase to facilitate compliance during the shaping sequence. The procedure consists of 7 steps wherein successive approximations to eating are reinforced.